Hello, today I'm in Citroen C4 Cactus. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever to enable or disable front wipers. You can do it by pulling the lever downwards. This function enables automatic windscreen wiper. If you push it upwards, you will use it in interval mode. Then you will use it in slow mode and in the end in the fast mode. To disable front wipers, set it to 0 position. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.